What is it like to print different sign products with artisJet, Trust, and Dive? Let's take a quick look at 7 different print jobs, from simple color printing to complete BEC1GO applications with Braille and embossed effects. We begin with a simple color print. 9 indoor signs are arranged on the Trust printing area. The signs are made from aluminum and printed with color only. Next, we print a larger batch of 25 industrial labels. These PVC labels are also printed with color only, using Trust. Now we move to a BEC1GO application. 12 wooden room signs are placed on Dive. Each sign includes color, ADA Braille, and an embossed effect. Next is a large tactile map, measuring 24 by 18 inches, and it's printed with Dive. It combines color, Braille, and raised details created with varnish. The larger print area allows the complete map to be produced as one finished piece. For the next job, 8 A4 menu signs are arranged on Trust. Each menu includes Braille and embossed varnish effects, combining accessible information with a more premium visual and tactile finish. We then print 4 Washroom signs with Dive. The signs include clear graphics, tactile text, Braille, and embossed varnish. The different printed elements remain precisely aligned throughout the design. Finally, 9 hotel room signs are printed with Trust. Each sign combines color, Braille, and embossed varnish while maintaining consistent quality across the complete batch. From simple color signs to detailed, accessible signage, artisJet, Trust, and Dive make it possible to produce a wide range of finished sign products with one flexible printing workflow. Contact artisJet today to see a live demo.